What up guys, it's Crypto Wolf. Today I make an update for you about Axol. It's a project that everybody see me speaking about all the time, just because look at this meme guys. It's not a copy from anything else, it was never existing, it has its own brand, its own IP, and it's already 1 year old guys. Axol already is 1 year old since last September 2024. Axol was created by Keith, the developer of this project, who is a doctor in real life. This man has a lot of respect gained in the last year building this project, right? And it is already bulletproof tested. It went already through difficult times in the crypto. You know that we have a lot of volatility. So this Memecoin project went through many things, right? And it's actually been created on Sui, which is still a blockchain that not everybody is familiar with, but it gets a lot of noise and attention, guys. As you all know, when Ethereum start to break all-time highs, people are going to rotate their money into a next altcoin, and one of these altcoins is Sui, guys. Sui has the experience already with developing or having a lot of people working there that have developed also Meta, as you know, Facebook, and they are of course familiar with onboarding billions of people. They have think about these processes already for many years. So I'm really bullish for this reason on this blockchain. And it's not only cheap, it's also one of the fastest blockchains out there. And just saying that the way how they are being marketing their layer one blockchain as being a very good development blockchain for developers that are building in the space, for gaming, for a lot of things like NFTs. You should educate yourself better on Sui, but I'm of course in the ecosystem, so I really do like what I see there. It gives me these early Solana vibes, these early Ethereum vibes, and of course Sui is now only at a 12 billion market cap, right? So, which is of course a huge thing, but if you know that Cardano last cycle went from a 10 billion to a 100 billion market cap without being a blockchain, well, I can tell you, then what would Sui be doing this cycle, right? I really have the expectation that Sui is capable of doing a 10x from here, and even if it would do only half of it, if it would go to 50 billion, that's around a 4x from here, guys. So if you're going to do a 4 to 5x with this chain, then Sui would be sitting on a $12 to $15 price point. So what would that mean for the meme coins? There are not so many meme coins created on Sui as you have seen been meme coins created on Ethereum and on Solana. So when Sui is going to take off, you really need to take a look to the top 3 meme coins on the Sui network. And for me, Axol is one of the top meme coins on the Sui network, right? It has been proven to be a really good one, and of course it went already to 80 million market cap in last year only, right? So Axol had a very big run and is already very well known in the crypto community on Sui and also out there, because they are super active on their social media, guys. You cannot say more, but they are doing 2 to 3 to 4 spaces every week. They are being supported by a lot of influencers and by a lot of builders on the crypto market, and it's just incredible how they are creating their IP. Also, their IP is registered recently, and people or real companies can use it to do IRL business with this outside. Me, myself, I'm also an Axol ambassador, and I'm also in conversations with companies that want to do more with Axol than just keeping it as a meme coin, because I really believe that Axol has all the ingredients to be more than just a meme coin. As you know, a lot of meme coins are created from things you see IRL, like you see Pepe is created because Matt Furry made a book, and you can see Pepe and Brett in the books of Matt Furry, but I really want to see the first meme coin going into into the IRL business. And for that, you need to have a cool design. You need to have a cool character that is looking friendly, family friendly, that is able to actually speak towards millions or billions of people. And I really believe that Axol has all the ingredients to see Axol in a game, to see Axol becoming more than just a meme coin. And speaking about this, Axol has anticipated on an event with Aztec. Aztec, the metaverse, the power is yours. Aztec is building and has built a metaverse, has contracts with one of the biggest companies in the world, Dragon Ball Z, Pokemon, Star Wars, and has a lot of big connections, guys. And you will see a lot of more about Aztec. I was invited to speak on a stage there with some of the most incredible people in the crypto space to share my ideas about Axol. And however, the event is postponed, but one of the things that we are capable or that we were capable of doing is speaking to get Axol in the metaverse of Aztec and to launch it on their blockchain. So this is something that we currently are working on, but that means also that when we get Axol on this on the metaverse, and when Axol would have its own 3D model or 5D model in the metaverse, we could make so much content with it and do much more than only making a game. We could bring it really into a lot of other different sectors and industries. So we are really cooking with the Axol team to do something more with this IRL, and Keith, the developer, is doing an incredible job to find all these connections that we can connect with, right? So if you ask me what is the meme coin with the most upside potential in terms of price movement, then this is Axol for me, guys. Also, I want to be a part of Axol more than only having anything to do with the price relation, right? Because as you know, Axol has a very big community. I will go back again to their Twitter account, but as you can see, Axol has more than almost 22,000 followers on X. And when Axol is doing spaces, and you doing it, there is a lot of engagement every time the community is showing up. Every time you see there are a lot of people liking and reposting and commenting on their tweets. It's a very vibrant and active community. So I made already a lot of friendship just being in Axol. So definitely I'm really bullish on it. And it's just a fact, guys. Like, if you are looking to invest in a meme coin, then it's also nice to make friendships along the way. I of course say you should do your own research about this project, but it is very bullish, guys. Knowing that it went to a 80 million market cap, look how steady this project is, right? It's now on 1.9 million, but every time when this project dipped, we saw a huge pump to the upside, right? So you see here, we had a big pump, almost to 10 million market cap. Then we saw consolidation. Then we had an event happening with Cetus. So all the projects on Sui were doing for some time not that well. And then you see that we have been building these floors steadily, right? And actually over a very long time span, we have been able to keep this floor of 2 million, right? So already for more than 2 months. So what I want to say with you about this, guys, if you go and look on other chains, I don't see this stability on other projects all of the time. I always see them going down. Actually, we have been seeing Axol doing pretty amazing here, right? Axol is keeping that floor and has been touching these levels every time over and over again. So if I'm looking now, we know that tomorrow are coming the rate cards. I'm looking actually for a move from Axol straight up to around 5 million market cap. Why? You saw that we already did this move last time. We saw the same move happening here. And I'm expecting a similar move into this area here, right? And you can see that this area is being supported on these levels. So when Sui is going to move tomorrow, I think you will see at least a 2.5x from where we are today to these levels, right? And if we are capable of holding this level, then I'm assuming that we also have the potential of breaking out this level, right, guys? And then you need to look to from 18 to a 27 million market cap. And I have people that are more bullish than me on this project, because once these things are running, guys, then it's sky is the limit, of course. But let's consider these few factors with me as well. So of course, a lot of people are now not paying attention to Sui. So what would happen is, in my world or my ideas, look how solid Sui is moving also towards its previous all-time high of $5, guys. Look, this chart, it's just looking amazing, right? So if Sui is going to break out of this and it gets attention, it also is it also wants to launch its own EFT. All these things that is possible to happen in the next coming of months. Sui is listed on Robinhood. There are so much things that happened to really make sure that this is going to be running and non-stop running, right? So I, of course, placed some of my investments in Axol, guys. Always do your own research. I want to make these videos always for entertainment purposes only, so you should always do your own research. But this is the underdog, guys, on the Sui network. You will be surprised to see what's happening with this one, and with the IRL business development that Axol is going through right now. It is possible to catch a lot of more interest of people outside crypto right now than all the other projects on the Sui ecosystem. So guys, I hope I updated you a little bit more. I would really encourage you to follow their Twitter and social media accounts. They are active on Twitter, they are active on TikTok, Instagram. They have everything that you're looking for. Go and check out their YouTube channel. They have been updating there constantly. So guys, I hope to see you in the community, because yeah, I'm going to lead this pack, and I hope to see you in one of our spaces next time. So I hope if you like this video, please drop me a comment down below, and I hope to see you in the next video, guys. Cheers.